How you doing, guys? Welcome back to my home, Mi Casa Su Casa. I have an Amazon haul for you guys, and I am so excited because I think it's totally whopper. So if you want to know what I got, you have to stay. Alright, guys, so before I keep on, let me just show you the 3 boxes I picked up of eyelashes. And the brand is Dysilk. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. I love the design on the box. I got the white one, the pink one, and the blue one. The white one being 002, the pink one being 003, and the blue one being 001. Any other information about these will be in the description box below, so please make sure that you check that out for me. I don't want to give you the wrong information, so they will be right there. If I'm not mistaken, I believe the 002 are the most natural one. I will post a video right here so you can have an idea. Alright, guys, so I don't know if in the video you noticed, but or did I even put it, but every box comes with a thank you note, and it says your order made our day. We hope we make yours. If you have any questions about order, please email us at Dysilk-service at outlook.com. So I will post the information also, but I just love how that was included. When you open it, you get this like this, and you get individual ones like this, and then you get one with a box, and the box lies this way, and that's cool because if you take this with you in the purse, if you get tired using them and you want to take them off and still keep them nice and put together and Okay, guys, so I pinned my hair to the side, but before I keep on, I just want to talk to you about the eyelash itself. So this is how they look. Very pretty. And they have the thick band. Now, if you know me, you know that I prefer the slimmer or thinner line. Where you put the glue at, because they make it look more natural, but nevertheless we are going to try this. So what I'm doing is just, it had a little excess right here of the band, so I just clipped that off. And what I mean about thinner, I'm going to show you one of mine, and I'm going to place it right here. So if you guys can see, you see how thin that is, and this is the one I just got. So it has this is the thicker band, this is the thinner band. So yeah, let's just continue. So I'm gonna use the pen. It says that you have to shake it really good, and yeah, I'm gonna go right here live with you guys, and I'm gonna go as close as I can. And like I said, it slides very, very smooth. Okay, and now we're gonna wait 10 seconds. Okay, so basically what I'm doing is pressing the band against my lid. Make sure it's put together. And to be honest, I think I put it too close to down here, but nevertheless, and it's stuck in there pretty good. You guys can see. I always like to do this to my eyelids because I have excessive. Alright, so we did the lid method first, so now I want to try putting the glue on the eyelash itself to see how that works. Sorry. Okay, let's see how that works. Woo, woo, got stuck in my finger already. Alright, to be honest, the this part putting on the eyelash does not work for me. I'm having very problem. I don't know if you guys can see that it's not gluing correctly, so I'm just gonna go back and just do this. Alright guys, so the one thing that I don't like about the eyelash, you guys already know, that's the only con for me, is the band itself. I prefer the thinner band because it looks more natural. Nevertheless, I have that extra skin on my eyelids, so when I put them on, I tend to, you know, push my eyelids down like this, and it covers that, makes it look more natural, which I love. That's just the preference. Again, nothing wrong with the eyelashes. I totally recommend it. Again, the one that I use is the 002 number, and it's these right here. I love the design. I love the box. I love that they have that extra storage box that you can take your when you take them off, you can storage. Again, I love the colors of it. I love the design, well made. The only downside for me is that they have a Alright guys, so let's talk about the pens. I love the pens, and I love the pens. The detail on it, how big they are. You know, they have that little ball in there that you can shake the product in there. I love it. I love how it slides. I love that it's waterproof. I mean, look at that. They don't even smear. I love that. The downside about this that I don't like is that I tend to use the glue itself, and I like to add some on the band of the eyelash. I couldn't do it with this one because it didn't provide enough product to do so it didn't stick too much. But nevertheless, use it as the eyeliner on the lid. That worked 100% perfect, as you guys can see. And guys, the glue is amazing. I can pull on it. Last but not least, let me just say, don't forget to check the description box below. Oh, excuse me. For any information about this product. Now, a disclaimer: I am not sponsored by this company. I'm not doing a collaboration with this company at all. These products I bought with my own coin, and I totally recommend them. I'm actually going to buy another set of these for my daughter so she can take to college, because like I said, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, you get 5 in each pack. In case I didn't mention it, you get that extra case so you can save the one that you're using in case you want to take them out through the day, because you know. But the fact that these pens are waterproof, I like it. Now, of course, I will come back probably with a little update on that, because you know I will have to dip in a pool or something, or take a shower or something with them on, just to see if it's okay. So I don't know if you heard the last thing I said. So anyways, I cannot give you 100% review on the waterproof part, because again, I will have to take a shower or something and jump in the pool in order to tell you if it actually waterproof. But so far it is smear proof, because it didn't smear on my hand or anything like that. But yeah, other than that, that's the only thing I can give you 100% review on it to tell you whether it works or not. But I totally still recommend them to use them as a pen liner rather than to stick it on the eyelash itself, because that don't work. But as an eye pencil, 100%. So being that said, thank you for